What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today we're going to be doing a video breaking down the new and improved rapid accounts from FundedNext. If you guys remember, they had the regular rapids and then they had the bolt. So they basically combined them into one, and they took everything that you wanted. They added everything that you want in an account. So the only things on the bolt account, for example, I didn't like was, well, not didn't like, but I wish they would improve, was the 80% profit split, which they brought now up to 90. And then the consistency rule was 40% on the eval. And now there is no consistency on the eval. You can literally one day pass them. So they've literally fixed everything. And I'm going to also go through how they split it up. There's one account for daily payouts, which is comparable to the bolt account. And then they have the other account, which is called the pro, which is going to be comparable to the rapids. So I'm going to break these down really quick. I do these on all prop firms, so go check out the prop firm playlist. And again, if you guys want to pick up any of these accounts, code LukeX will get you the best discount. They're all 50% off right now. So basically, I'm going to break both of these down. So you have basically two options for these rapids. Obviously, you're still going to have your flex accounts and your legacy accounts. I have a video on the flex if you want to check it out. I haven't done one on the legacy. I will get around to that, but the rapids. Okay. So basically, you're going to have two plans. You're going to have the pro plan, which this one is basically very, very similar to Lucid Pros. So if you're a fan of those, they're actually running cheaper than those. And the daily plan is going to be comparable to the Bolt account. It's basically like the revamped version of the Bolt account. So what I've noticed is a lot of prop firms now are actually going towards the daily payout route and the one-day pass route. So which is great to see prop firms adapting. I think in the next few months, my prediction is a lot more prop firms will go towards this, but we'll see. So first we're going to start off, and we're going to go with the pro plan first, and then I will get into the daily plan. The daily plan is the one I'll personally be trading more, most likely. I might use both though. We're going to see. And I have some graphics that they sent me over. But first of all, we're going to start with the pro plan, right? This is going to be your one-time fee. You can pass it in one day if you want. The profit target is obviously going to depend on the account size. So 1,500 for the 25K, 3K for the 50K, 5K for the 100K. There's no daily loss limit on these accounts. And then you have obviously a max loss limit at the end of the day, whatever. That's pretty standard. No consistency on the eval. There's news trading allowed. And then your contract sizing is going to depend on which account you buy. Now you go to the funded rules. You get payouts every 3 days. Minimum $500 payout. Maximum is going to depend on the account size. Again, 90% split with a 40% consistency on the funded. Again, it's literally the exact same rules pretty much as the Lucid Pros. But the good thing is here, you actually get an option to add a daily loss limit, which actually will bring down the price, which I'm going to show you. You could see right here for the 25K, it's going to knock it down to $60 compared to 80, 109 compared to 149, and then 199 compared to 249. So if you do get the daily loss limit account with the pros, these are going to knock them down. This is like, so you save $20, $40, or $50. So if you want to add that on, and if not, it's still $80, which is still good. So going back over here now, we're going to look now at the daily plan really quick, and then I'll kind of compare the two again really quick. So first of all, on the eval, obviously, again, one-time fee. You can pass it in one day. Same thing for the profit target. Now, these ones are obviously going to have a daily loss limit, just like the Bolt accounts. If you remember, these do have a daily loss limit, and that's going to depend on the account size. You have a max loss limit, of course, same thing. No consistency on the eval. News trading is allowed, and then the contract sizing is again going to depend on your account size. Going over to the funded rules now, minimum profit is $500. Again, max withdrawal is per cycle is going to depend on the account size. So again, it's 1,200 for the 50K, which is what it was for the Bolt, 800 for the 25Ks. 2,500 for the 100Ks, 90% split now compared to the 80, which it was. Again, no consistency rule on the funded, and then your contract size is going to depend on which one you buy. So these daily plans, it's just like I said, it's basically just the Bolt plan, but there's a 90% split now, and you can one day pass it now instead of the 40% consistency on the eval. So these are great. Again, you could literally pass the eval and then get a payout potentially the next day. Again, you do have to build over the buffer, which is the same thing, but that's standard for these type of daily payout accounts. Obviously, you're not just going to be able to go for a minimum payout right after passing. You need to build the buffer, and then you can start requesting daily payouts after that. So right now, you can go on, if you're on the website, you go to the pro accounts, you're going to see the price. Obviously, it's going to be $80, 150, and then 249. And then if you add on the daily loss limit for the pros, that's going to knock it down. Like I said, 20, 40 or whatever dollars, $50. If you go to the dailies, again, same thing, 80 bucks, 150, 250, but these ones are built with a daily loss limit in them already. So you can't knock the price down anymore. It's already there. So I'm going to run through these graphics they sent me really quick, comparing the two. Obviously, end of day drawdown, of course. The rapid dailies are going to be 1 day pass with no consistency. You can get daily payouts, 90% split. And again, no benchmark days. You don't need a minimum. You don't need your 5 winning days. You just need to be able to build over the buffer. Now, the rapid pros are going to be, again, 1 day pass. You can get a payout in 3 days because it's 40% consistency. There's no daily loss limit on these accounts. But you can add it on to be cheaper if you want. No benchmark winning days. There's no buffer on these. No consistency rule in the challenge, and then a 90% split as well. So if you want to get paid as fast as possible, this is going to be the one. This is the one that I personally will be using because these are just like the Bolt accounts, which I still have as well. You can pass in 1 day, potentially get a payout the next day as long as you build over that buffer. And then these ones over here, this is going to be for people who, maybe you want a cheaper path to, to get that payout. Again, you would just need to maintain the 40% consistency. But if you want a cheaper entry and you can 1 day pass them, this is going to be for you. So it's going to really depend. If you want a cheaper account and you don't mind the consistency, this is going to be your bet right here, the Rapid Pro Flex. And if you add the daily loss limit onto it, it's going to be cheaper. But if you want to just get daily payouts and get onto the funded as fast as possible, and that's what you like daily payout accounts, again, no consistency on the funded, this is going to be your best bet. So that's what I'm going with. Again, you have your daily loss limits for the daily accounts, which is the same as the Bolt. It's the same exact thing, but again, they pretty much improved everything that you want to see. And yeah, here's the comparison between the two. This one, you're going to be getting daily payouts compared to every 3 days. Again, this one has no daily loss limit, but if you want to add it on for a cheaper account, you can. And then this one's obviously going to have the daily loss limit because this is the daily payout account. No consistency rule on the daily. This one has the 40% consistency, and then no buffer on these ones, but this one obviously has the buffer you need to build over. But again, a 90% split now compared to the 80. So it's really going to depend on what you're looking for exactly. If you like daily payouts and you don't like, you know what I mean, you don't mind a daily loss limit, that's personally what I'm doing. So I will be going with the daily plan. But the pro plan, if you're somebody who liked the Lucid Pros and you want a cheaper entry, because these are actually cheaper than the Lucid Pros, you would be going for something like these. You just need to maintain that 40% consistency. But again, you can literally 1 day pass them now. Profit splits are bigger. So this is like a really big improvement. But yeah, this sale is going to be on. I'm not sure for how long. So if you guys want to pick up any of these accounts, code LukeX, we'll get you the best discount available. If you guys have any questions on these accounts, leave them in the comments and I'll help you guys out. But yeah, if you go on the website, you can see the comparisons for yourself as well. You just check this box, pro, or you want to go with the daily. But yeah, if you guys really just want to try these accounts out, I would recommend honestly trying a 25K and seeing, because obviously that's going to be your cheapest entry for the 25K daily, 80 bucks. And for the 25K Pro, it's 80 bucks. But then if you knock down the daily loss limit, it's going to be literally $60. And again, you can literally 1 day pass it. You could be on the funded the next day, right? So gonna depend on what you want. If you guys have any questions on these, let me know. I'll help you guys out as best as I possibly can. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you guys think of these accounts, if you'll be picking ones up and which ones. And that's it for me. Talk to you guys later. Peace.